Hi, I'm Wendy Kwong, one of the ESL teachers here at Thorncliffe Park Public School. This video is going to show you how to install the Remind app onto your phone or tablet. This app will allow the teacher to send you text messages and also allow you to send messages back to the teacher. You can download the Remind app in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, search for the Remind app in the App Store. If you have an Android phone, you can download the app using the Google Play Store. Once you have installed the app, open the app and enter your email address. Then create a password and accept the user agreement. Choose I'm a parent, and if you like, you can add your cell phone number. Next, enter your name, followed by entering the class code D77H3BD. You can choose to take a tour of the app or hit skip at the top of the screen. Once you have joined the class, send me a message with your child's name so that I can match parent to each student. This app has Google Translate built in, so it will allow me to send messages in different languages. It will not be 100% accurate, but I hope that it will help us better communicate with each other. Thank you for downloading the app and joining our class. If you would like some extra help, I am on yard duty before school at 8:40 by door 4, which is the grade 1 door. Bring me your phone any of the mornings and I will help you install it then. Thank you and take care.